finally back for a new tutorial. So first I'm going to put in an oil treatment for my hair. It's just a spray treatment, smells really good, and it's to protect your hair, to keep it nice and shiny, and from any heat products. Just got a bit tangly there. And then I'm using a volumizing product. All the products I'm going to be listing in the bottom bar below, by the way. And this one is just so that it's sort of like a root booster, so I can keep my hair volumized after I curl it. Now I'm just going to section off my hair. I like to section it in 2 parts first. So just grabbing that clip. And now I'm using, I'm not too sure how wide that barrel is. I think it's about 38mm curling iron. And I'm just going to be curling my hair. I like to run through my hair with the curling iron about once or twice to heat up my hair before I go in and curl it. And I'm starting from the middle and just twist it and go and try to pull a bit down, tug it until you get to the bottom slowly so you don't let any of the hairs loose. Hold it there for a couple of seconds until it heats up. Depending on how thick of the hair or how thick of the bunch of hair you're planning to curl is, that's how long you should be holding it on for. So just make sure that your hair is hot enough, and I'm just going to go in slowly now. As you can see, I'm going down almost to the middle, and then I slowly slide the iron down just to reach the end. One piece of hair fell out, so I'm just going to curl it around again. If it doesn't work, you can just curl that piece of hair again, but that's sort of what I do. Just hold it there for a couple of seconds and then let it go again. I don't know what I'm doing there. Well, okay, so it's hot enough, and look at what the nice curl you get there. Okay, so continue on to the other side. Once again, run through your hair with the curling iron, and then start curling from the middle, and just slowly work your way down. I find this the most effective way to actually curl your hair. It's really fast because you're only really using a couple of sections, and it really heats up the hair fast, and it's good for sort of the morning and you don't really want to spend so much time on your hair but you still like to have curly hair. Okay, so now that I'm done with the bottom section, I'm just going to clip it away, and I just let down the top section. I'm just going to separate it into 2 and work my way from the back to the front. Clipping up the top. So I decided to curl the top section first, and now I'm just running my hair through the curling iron again like I did previously, and just curling it from the ends and just curling it in. A lot of hair will fall out during this process, but that's fine because this process is mainly just for that bangs. Okay, so now working my way from the back of my head, and I'm working in vertical sections now. So I'm curling outwards because I find this is the way to get more volume in my hair. And because my hair has a lot of layers, it's really hard to curl, so you'll see me sort of struggling at some points in time, but it's fine because as long as you know, you sort of get some curls in the hair, it sort of looks even. That's my way of, you know, sort of messy, voluminous curls anyway. Just curling it back. Your sections don't need to be very, very neat either. That's the whole gist of having messy and voluminous hair, and I find it looks a bit more natural as well if you don't have you know, perfectly sectioned parts. Okay, now just going on to the other side, just do the exact same thing. Okay, now if you weren't happy with the bangs the first time, you can also use this way to curl your bangs, and that's just sectioning the front part, which is the crown of your head basically, and just pull it forward and recurl it. And now running through your hair through the curling iron once again, just to heat up your hair, and then curling it forward or inwards. Now this will ensure that all of your hair will get curled and also curl inwards towards your head or towards your face, so that actually frames your face. Okay, so that's about it. Just section your hair properly now where your natural hairline is, and put some hairspray. I'm using an O&M voluminous sort of hairspray. It doesn't have much crunchy feeling to it, so I like it. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and remember to click subscribe and like.